Why do good employees leave? This week we're looking inside the black box of unwritten expectations employees have about their job, their company, and their boss. We call it a psychological contract, and it has everything to do with whether good people go or stay. This week, let's take a look at flexibility. It's an expectation that many employees have, but it's not written down anywhere. Flexibility has to do with how you handle situations like health or mental health, issues with kids or extended family, with work location, work days and times, and assumptions about where and when people are going to perform their work. The world's gotten weird in the last couple of years, and employees are having to be more flexible in their own lives to meet their commitments, and they're expecting their employers to meet them in that area of flexibility. Now, the concern that many employers have is, what if people take advantage of me? The COVID policy is too vague, or the work from home policy, I wonder if people are really working hard if they're not in the office. Employers are concerned that somebody's going to take advantage of me. But employees can interpret inflexibility as lack of concern. And when that happens, the psychological contract gets broken and people start looking for an exit. So sit down with your employees and have a conversation about flexibility. What are they looking for, and how could you meet them part way? You'll restore trust in the psychological contract and keep your good people.